lobster lovers, this one is for you. We're here at Uncle Giuseppe's Marketplace with my friend Vinny, and he's gonna show us a really yummy dish.
Spicy rigatoni alla vodka with lobster.
Oh, I love it.
Okay, lobster and butter go hand in hand.
Yes, they do.
They're best friends. Chopped garlic, just a little bit. So at this point, we're gonna add our lobster meat in. We're gonna add a little bit of crushed red pepper to this, and a lot of parsley. And we're just gonna move this around. Look at that, that looks so good, right? So now we're gonna leave everything right there. We're gonna take our spicy vodka sauce, everything that was in this pan already, the little bits of lobster, the fond, the butter, the garlic, the parsley, the crushed red pepper, it all goes with this. So you got no worries, no worries.
Leave it in there.
We got our hot pasta now. You always wanna give it a minute in the sauce. The pasta is gonna release some of its starches. It's gonna thicken up. We cook our pasta al dente on purpose so that it can finish off in the sauce. Pecorino, Romano goes in. You have to do this too when you mix it all together. This is how you evenly distribute all that cheese. That's spicy rigatoni alla vodka with lobster.
That's like perfection in a dish, so go ahead, try it. The recipe's on our website, news12.com. Amazing.